In my last video, I promised you how to design a coin card. Because a coin card has two sides, the back side and the front side. So the position of the coin need extra cautions because we don't want to end up the coin will be misaligned like this. You see, it's not centered. So it is easier learning with just one side of the coin card. In that case, it's a postcard. So these are examples of a postcard. We don't worry about the position of the coin in the back side. We just close it with a print like this. Another postcard, another postcard, and another postcard. We have many pairs of small coins. We can make use of it into a beautiful postcard like this. I'll show you how I did this. The picture was downloaded from defineart.com. It's a beautiful picture. I guess we can use this picture for private use. We don't commercialize it. I'm using Microsoft Office Word 2007 here, which is the old version. First step is page layout. Choose the correct size, which is I'm using 10 by 15 centimeter. And then set the orientation into landscape. I want to make a whole view of the page. So I go to zoom here and then change to 130%. Okay. I will fill the empty blank first with the frame. Insert shapes and then choose the rectangle. And on the blank space, we will click left on the mouse, drag it, and then release it. So we have a standard frame. I would like to make a thicker frame here. Put the cursor on the frame and then right click, format auto shape. This is the line, this is the fill. The fill should be transparent, so I will put no color. And then the line, I would like it thicker, so maybe 4.5 point. And the color, I would choose the bright one. Okay, here we go. We got the frame, and we can adjust the size of the frame accordingly. I'm happy with this. The second feeling is the picture. So insert a picture. It was on my desktop. This one, insert. Okay, now this picture at the moment, we can't move it everywhere. So what we do is put the cursor on the picture, right click, and then choose the text wrapping in front of text. Okay, now we can move this everywhere. So I would put it here. But remember that the picture is still have a solid white background, which we want to remove it. Otherwise, the background will overlay the frame. So what we do is go to the top left side and then you will see recolor. And then at the bottom of it, there is set transparent color. So choose it, click. And then on the picture, we will have a funny cursor here. What we will do is just left click on it. Now you see, picture now has a transparent background. So we can even put the picture like here without hurting the picture. Next step is typing the text. The best way to do it using text box. So insert a text box, simple text box. I don't want any line on the text box square, so put the cursor on the frame, right click, and then you will get format text box. I choose the color, none. The filling, no color, and then OK. Text box now has no frame and has a transparent background. Okay, let's type something into the text box. Coconut crab. We can play with the font. Just highlight the text and then go to home. You will see we have many choices of font. I would choose brush script, and then I would like to make the size of the font bigger. We can adjust the size of the text box as well. So I will put coconut crab, and then I can copy another text box from this first text box. So on the frame of the text box, right click and then copy and then paste it somewhere here. Paste. So we have two. I would type something else here. Virgus latro. With the same way, we can change the font into whatever font we want, and then the size we can adjust it somewhere here. Copy another text box from here, copy and paste, and I will type something else in the third text box. On the river side of Vanuatu, 20 Batu coin. Again, change the font. I would use Comic Sans Serif, and we can set the text into middle center. We use this alignment, center the text. We can do the same with the other boxes. Okay. With the same steps, we can fill the postcard as we wish. In principle, the design should be symmetrical. So if we put the coin over here, the picture somewhere here or somewhere there, which make it a balanced, proportional. And practically it's done. We can print this into a photo paper now. I hope with this video you can design your own postcard. I think everyone can design a simple postcard like this. There are plenty of pictures we can use from the internet, and if we have many spare coin, why not?